go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I know that you guys aren't used to seeing me so put together, but today I thought we would try a little bit of a different style of a mail haul Monday. I'm going to be opening PR packages, but I thought it would be fun to actually try some of the products on. I saw What Would Lizzie Do? I think that's her channel name. Her name's Lizzie, and I saw her do a video just like this where she tried on the products, and I thought it was really fun. And we are getting ready. Tomorrow we are leaving for Hawaii, so I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed for you guys. But yeah, so all I have on my face is some foundation powder. I put a little bit of bronzer on because honestly, when I took the thumbnail, I was like, girl, you look like a hot freaking mess. I had to do something. I have a little bit of lip balm on. But we may be taking off some of the products to try things on. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this style video. I may not do it every week, but I just thought it would be fun. And I keep messing with my hair because all of my stuff is packed. And so I haven't fixed my hair and I'm in a pajama t-shirt. That's what we're rocking with today. So anyways, before we dive in, if you're new, would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. So the very first package is the package that I'm most excited about showing you guys today. But this is also the only package that I've opened, so I don't know what else is in the packages for today, if that makes sense. So you guys have probably heard of Madison Miller. She's one of my friends here on YouTube. I've done quite a few collabs with her. We have done the back to school giveaway videos for the past 2 years, and she actually came out with her own collection from Ofra Cosmetics. Congratulations, Madison. This is one of the reasons I wanted to do this video like this, so I could show these products to you as well. But this is so exciting. It's so cool, like seeing people that you actually know do collaboration. So I'm very, very proud of Madison, and this collection looks so fabulous. It launches, I believe, today, September 1st, and I have a code with Ofra. It's Danielle Ray XO. Gets you 30% off. So this is what the collaboration looks like. She has 2 highlighters, 2 blushes, 3 lip products, and a palette. And then on the box it says, "Hi gorgeous, I've always dreamed about creating my own products, and now my dream has come true thanks to Ofra Cosmetics. I'm so excited to share this collaboration with you. Everything in this collection, from the shade names like Smiley for Raleigh to the creamy and long-lasting formula, it's like a little piece of me. Think of these products as your new holy grails for every day. I hope you love them as much as I do." Okay, so since she came out with 2 blushes and 2 highlights, let's just put them both on my face. Okay, so here's the very first blush, and it's called All I Need Is Love. And I believe Ollie is one of her dogs. So this is a beautiful peachy pink shade, and we're just gonna put this, whoa, the pigment. The pigment is definitely there. We're just gonna put this right here on the cheeks. It's a really pretty shade. And I feel like this is a good shade too, like for summer, but it's also a great transition into fall because it's like that really pretty, like naturally nudie pink shade, and you can kind of match it up with anything. Also, my lashes are looking like a hot mess because today's the day that I get them done. Next shade we have is called Sweet Stuff, and this is more, actually I should have swatched these. This is more of a like natural pinky shade. I'm not used to doing a try on with mail hauls, so I totally forgot to swatch them. So here's what these 2 look like, and there's what they look like swatched on the hand. Really pretty colors, and I feel like they're a good mix where anybody could actually wear them, like any skin tone. I just put just a little bit on this one right here. But yeah, you guys, if you like me actually trying on these things like this, then drop some comments below. That way I know. So 2 really pretty shades. And then on to the highlights. So the first highlighter we have is called Moon Dance. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to be really great for my fair skin girls. Oh yes, it's beautiful. It kind of reminds me of Moonstone by Becca because it's like that lighter color. And then we have Sea Shimmer, which is a pinky rosy gold shade. These are so pretty. All right. Wow. Stunning. Okay, so let's go ahead and try them on. I'm going to put the Sea Shimmer on this side right here. I just went in so light, you guys. Like, this is literally the smallest amount of product, and look at how beautiful that is. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, and then for Moon Dance, I'm actually going to pick up quite a bit on this because I just want to see. Wow. I'm going to have to blend that in because it is so blinding. It's so pretty though. Okay. So there is that. Then we have the Ofra Midi palette. It said the squad is all here. So here's what it looks like. And I believe this is going to be a cheek palette. Oh yeah, and it's really pretty too. So here is the palette. As you can see, 2 really pretty highlights and then a very like natural pinky blush. Then we have 3 glosses. The first one is the Smiley for Raleigh, and it's like a really pretty peachy shade with glitter in it. Then we have Sugar Cup, which is like a purple shade. And then I'm gonna actually try this one on. This is called Oh My Rah, and this is like a nude shade. And this one doesn't have any kind of shimmer in it. Yeah, it's like a really nice everyday shade. Very pretty. Thank you so much to Madison Miller. Congratulations on this collaboration. And thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics as well for sending this over for me to try out. I feel like it's fun trying on the products, but also I feel like if we had a really long mail haul, it would probably take forever. Next thing we have, I believe this came from Octoly because they sent over a few packages. Yes. Okay. So the first thing is actually from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Needles No More Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. So here's what it looks like. It says it has an exclusive tri-blend wrinkle smoother. It smooths impression lines. So let's open this up. I love Dr. Brandt stuff. So here is what the packaging looks like. And it has just like a pump like this. So let's read a little bit more about it. So it says, to look fabulous, not frozen. This next generation wrinkle smoothing cream targets lines on your forehead, crow's feet, and in between brows. Oh my gosh, I need that. I feel like, especially, I don't know, underneath my eyes and things are looking a little bit aging. It says it is formulated with an exclusive tri-blend wrinkle smoother that works in 3 stages to help smooth lines. It provides a long-term smoothing effect, visibly improves the look of impression lines. After 4 weeks, 100% reported that the product visibly improved the look of impression lines. That speaks volumes. I cannot wait to try this out. I believe they have other Needles No More products, and I feel like I've tried one of them in the past, but either way, I've loved Dr. Brandt skincare, and I can't wait to try this out, so thank you so much. So the very next package came from Givenchy, and first off, can we just talk about how beautiful this fragrance package looks? Here is the shade name. So the very first thing that I noticed when I saw it on Octoly is just how beautiful the packaging looked. It just caught my eye, so stunning. And then I read the fragrance description and I was like, I need this in my life. It sounds amazing. Let's open this up. I cannot wait to see this in person. It's just so detailed. Okay, so here again is what it looks like. Give you guys a close-up of the package. Okay, so it says the keynotes, the top notes are orange blossom, the middle notes are jasmine and tuberose, and the base notes are velvetier and patchouli. So let's try this out. I'm so excited. I have a few fragrances from them, and I've always loved their smells. It smells so good. It actually smells really fresh. You know, I might have to take this on vacation with me because I'm obsessed. But for right now, you guys know I have one of their other fragrances right here that I keep. So I'm just going to put this in the front beside its sister. But thank you so much to Givenchy for that package. So the next thing we have actually came from a PR company. And I believe this is actually from Essence. Ooh, yes. It says, hey Danielle, get ready to go with our newest nude collection. Our new long-lasting, highly pigmented formula will have you showing off your perfect palette all day long. Wear it, test it, and tag it. Show us how you #GoNude. So here's what the packaging looks like. And ooh, yes. It looks like they actually have some normal, like, I always say regular lipsticks, but y'all know what I mean. And then it looks like they have either some liquid lipsticks or glosses. In the spirit of testing out things, let's go ahead and test some of these. This one's the one that is speaking to me most. This one is a lip gloss, and it's in the shade That's Big. Ooh. I mean, I know this is like My Lips Look Better shade, but I really like the applicator. It's a really pretty color, you guys. I'm glad I did this haul because Some of these might be going with me to Hawaii. Okay, so there's that one, and that one is called That's Big. Let's do another one. This one is a lip gloss, and this one's called Big Bang. I like the shade story because I feel like they're all colors. Yeah, they're like right up my alley. I love. It does have a little bit of tingle to it, but I'll have to keep you guys updated. Here's some of the other glosses. Ooh, right here. And I don't wear like normal type lipsticks too often, so I actually might save these for you guys for a giveaway on the lip glosses, but I feel like this packaging looks very high end. So thank you so much to Essence for that package. I cannot wait to test these out. And I love this. I really do. Okay, next package we have came from Pathology, and I think this is actually from Pathology and Octoly. Oh, yes. I'm so excited about this. Okay, this is a foot mask, and a lot of people may not need feet masks. I'll say this. I am really excited to try this out because sometimes my feet get just kind of dry, itchy, and pilly. So this says Pathology Warm Up Best Foot Award for Softening Foot and Heel Mask. It has shea butter, coconut oil, Japanese cypress, and it says dip your toes in this restorative foot mask. It has an insulated booty that helps you achieve your ideal level of personal coziness using the technology as space blankets to lock in moisture and refresh your hardworking feet in 10 minutes. So excited. Thank you so much, Pathology, for sending that over. Next package we have came from Beauty Essentials. Okay, so it says Fashion Week Essentials. Okay, so they sent over a bunch of goodies. So we have a new Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Dull Vitamin C Boosting Mud Mask. We have a cleansing balm. I'm going to put some of these to the side right here. We have, ooh, a cupcake polish. I think that's like a nail polish. We have a hair detox for women right here. We have a Peace Water Aqua Fresh Gel Day Cream. They always send over so many cool goodies. We have a Nomad Cosmetics Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, let's see what these colors look like. Yes, these are like very different, but I like it. I don't feel like I have a lot of these colors in my collection right here. And then we have another grapefruit. This is a lip kit. And then we have a Sienna lip lacquer and then a Cover Up Oil-Free foundation and concealer. So thank you so much, Beauty Essentials, for sending that over. The very last thing, you guys, came from Profusion. I know like 2 weeks ago and even last week we did a humongous haul, so this week wasn't as much as normal. I feel like I didn't try as many things on, but that's okay. Okay, so this is Profusion New for Fall 2019. Now, I did do a first impressions with one of the Profusion palettes a couple months ago. And honestly, you guys, like on that particular palette, the formula was really awesome. They really do package these well. These look gorgeous. I'm not gonna necessarily put this palette on today because I'm actually going to get my eyelashes done, so I don't want any like fallout. But if you guys want to see this in a first impression, let me know. It looks like it has some like pressed pigments and stuff in it, which look really nice. So thank you so much to Profusions for that package. Thank you to each and every brand who is kind enough to send me products. I'm always so appreciative, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.